Sales theories provide essential frameworks that guide organizations in their sales strategies, processes, and interactions with customers. Understanding these theories is crucial for sales professionals, as they offer insights into how to effectively engage prospects, close deals, and cultivate long-term relationships. One foundational theory is the AIDA model, which stands for Attention, Interest, Desire, and Action, developed by E. St. Elmo Lewis. In the late 19th century, this model outlines the stages that a customer goes through in the purchasing process. By capturing the customer's attention, generating interest in the product, creating a desire for ownership, and prompting action, sales professionals can effectively guide prospects through the sales funnel. Another significant theory is the consultative selling approach, which emphasizes the importance of understanding customer needs and providing tailored solutions. This theory posits that successful sales are based on building relationships and trust with clients, rather than simply pushing products. Key principles of consultative selling include active listening, asking insightful questions, and engaging in meaningful conversations to uncover customer pain points and objectives. By adopting a consultative approach, sales professionals can position themselves as trusted advisors, ultimately leading to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. The spin selling technique, developed by Neil Rackham in the late 1980s, is another influential sales theory that focuses on the types of questions salespeople should ask during the sales process. SPIN stands for Situation, Problem, Implication, and Need Payoff. This method encourages sales professionals to first understand the customer's situation, identify specific problems, explore the implications of those problems, and finally, articulate the need payoff or the benefits of the proposed solution. By using this structured questioning technique, salespeople can uncover deeper insights and better align their offerings with customer needs. The relationship selling theory emphasizes the importance of building and maintaining strong relationships with customers over time. This theory posits that successful sales are not just about closing individual deals, but about creating long-term partnerships that foster trust and loyalty. Key principles of relationship selling include consistent communication, follow-up, and providing value beyond the initial sale. By focusing on nurturing relationships, sales professionals can enhance customer retention and generate repeat business, ultimately contributing to sustained revenue growth. Another important theory is the solution selling approach, which focuses on identifying and addressing the specific needs and challenges of customers. This theory posits that successful sales occur when sales professionals position their products or services as solutions to the problems faced by their clients. Key principles of solution selling include thorough needs assessment, customization of offerings, and demonstrating the value of the solution in addressing customer pain points. By adopting a solution-oriented mindset, sales professionals can differentiate themselves from competitors and deliver greater value to customers. In recent years, the challenger sale model has emerged as a significant theory in sales. Developed by Matthew Dixon and Brent Adamson, this approach emphasizes the importance of teaching, tailoring, and taking control of the sales conversation. The challenger sale posits that successful salespeople challenge customers' thinking, provide new insights, and guide them towards solutions that they may not have previously considered. Key principles of this model include understanding the customer's business, delivering unique perspectives, and being assertive in the sales process. By adopting a challenger approach, sales professionals can effectively engage customers and drive meaningful conversations that lead to successful outcomes. In conclusion, sales theories provide valuable insights that inform sales practices and strategies. The AIDA model, consultative selling, SPIN selling, relationship selling, solution selling, and the challenger sale each offer unique perspectives on how sales professionals can effectively engage with customers and achieve their sales objectives. By integrating principles from these theories, sales teams can navigate the complexities of the sales process, enhance customer relationships, and drive revenue growth. Understanding and applying these theories empower organizations to thrive in an increasingly competitive and dynamic sales environment.